नाज़रीन, अभी आपको बराह रास्त इस्लामाबाद लिए चलते हैं, जहां पर तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़ोहरा बलोच हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग कर रही हैं।
In Kashmir, we reject the fresh order of the Indian Supreme Court, just as we had rejected its order of the 11th of December. The two verdicts fail to recognize the internationally recognized disputed nature of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiris have an inalienable right to self-determination as enshrined in the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. The final disposition of Jammu and Kashmir is to be made in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions and as per the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. India has no right to make unilateral decisions on the status of a disputed territory against the will of the other parties to the dispute, the Kashmiri people and Pakistan. Nor can India abdicate its international legal obligations on the pretext of domestic legislation and judicial verdicts. The Indian Supreme Court's judgments or orders cannot distract the international community's attention from the gross and systematic human rights violations being perpetrated in IIOJK. Now, an upcoming visit announcement. The Foreign Minister of the Republic of Azerbaijan will undertake an official visit to Islamabad from 29th to 30th May. He will hold talks with Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar and call on the Pakistani leadership. Thank you.
दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़ोहरा बलोच हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग कर रही हैं। नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं कि इस्लामाबाद में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़ोहरा बलोच न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग कर रही थी और यहाँ पर चलते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम के बकिया हिस्से की जानिब।